Hi guys, another super quick video on DC and the importance of testing it before you just turn it on and plug it into the inverter. We're going to make sure at this point your last chance when you're plugging it in down at the inverter side, it's your last chance to check that polarity. If you get your polarity crossed on MPP's, goodbye inverter. That's a story that keeps coming up, keep seeing it on LinkedIn, loads of stuff about that at the moment. It also lets you check that the voltage is as you designed. Is it to the right number of panels? That specification of going, right, we've got 10 at 35, that should be giving us 350. Do you know what I mean? It's making sure those maths are right. We'll touch on design and how we calculate that later. It's your last chance for volt drop, making sure that you should have put 6 mil in, not 4 mil. A lot of commercial installers just buy 6, just fit 6, just stick to that. But when you've got a there and back to calculate, it's something that gets missed a lot. And also one of the things that you're going to be checking here is it's kind of the final check of have you got all of those strings connected in the right combination with that is string 1, that is string 2, that is string 3. So the identification, kind of the last part, you can't just shove them in. Unfortunately, the installers that have come and developed themselves in domestic world don't have the same fear that we have as commercial electricians when it comes to working around DC cable. Let's keep it safe, keep safe out there. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the follows. That's Justin from Independent Solar Consultants, trying to bring a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of wisdom if you're sat there trying to work out what am I looking at when it comes to DC test sheets, and we'll do that in another video. So I hope that's been beneficial. If it has, like and share. Thank you for your time.